All right, so I'm gonna start off by applying this Boscia moisturizer. It's their cactus water moisturizer, and then I'm following with my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. It has been forever since I made a video. I just wanted to get right into doing a get ready with me and just talk through this whole video instead of doing like an intro and everything like that. So now I'm just gonna do my brows off camera, and then we're gonna get into starting the eyeshadow look. So I'm grabbing this palette by Dose of Colors. It's the Sassy Sienna's palette, and I'm using the third color, and that's going to be my first transition shade. See, I can't even talk. I'm like really trying to get back into the groove of everything. Everything is like skipping over my tongue. I can't talk, but we're just going to keep rolling with the punches here. So I just zoomed in a little bit so that you guys can see clearer what it is that I'm doing. I didn't add anything. I'm just blending out that one color. But next I'm going to go into my Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to add this lighter brownish pinkish shade in the middle, just to kind of soften out the outer corner of the transition shade that I used already. So now going back into the Sassy Sienna's palette, I'm taking the darkest color, which is the last one, and a smaller, bit of a tapered blending brush. And I'm going to use that to start adding some depth to the crease. So quick sidebar, I really don't have any real excuse or any reason why I haven't been making any videos. I personally don't like to waste makeup. So I hate just making a video like just to make it at home and then like wash all my makeup off. So with that being said, like I haven't really been going anywhere for me to want to get ready and film a get ready with me. But today I was, or this day I was rather, I was going to a gender reveal, and I was like, you know what? Let me just set up my camera and record myself getting ready since it's been absolutely forever. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And next, I'm gonna grab the Ahjale.Tiana palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills. But before that, I'm just priming my lid with some P. Louise eyeshadow base to prep my lid for the color that I'm gonna use. So in the palette, I'm gonna use the color Lituation, which is like a silvery shimmer shade. It's not too silver, it's like dark silver purplish kinda, and that's gonna be my lid color. So I'm using just like a smaller brush to pack that all over the lid. So while I'm doing that, let me just also rant a little bit. Like I've been feeling, I guess, a little uninspired by YouTube. Like I've been watching makeup artists on YouTube for a really long time, and I just feel like I don't know if it's just me or if YouTube in general has just been kind of like falling off. Like I just feel like the people that I watch, they don't really upload like that. They're not just uploading looks just for fun. Like everything seems to be toned down. So I feel like that's toning my energy down also, and my desire to make videos, which sucks. But so I'm gonna go into this color, this purple color in the palette, and I'm gonna start to work that on the outer corners of my eyes just to give a good like transition shade from the color that I put onto the lid. But yeah, like I don't know, I just feel like there used to be so many more videos, so many just like authentic tutorials, makeup tutorials, and I feel like YouTube is kind of losing that a little. Like, am I the only one that feels that way? You guys definitely let me know. I'm grabbing this brown shade in the palette. I don't have the palette in front of me, which is why I don't have the names in front of me. But yeah, the brown shade is gonna go all the way on the outer corner of my eyes. So here I'm just touching up everything. I'm using a large blending brush to blend out all the harshness at the corners. And then I'm going to retouch a little bit with lituation, with the purple shade, like everything, just to make everything look like kind of flawless and blended out. Okay, so let's get into the face. I'm using Estee Lauder's Double Wear Foundation in the shade Bronze. And I'm just working that all over the face and blending it in. That part you guys already know and are familiar with. But I really don't reach for this foundation often. And it's very like highly favored, I guess, in the beauty community. So I'm gonna just start to try and like pick it up and use it a bit more often. And I like it, it's nice, but it's usually just not like my go-to. So now I'm using the Kevin Aquan concealer, and I had been wanted to buy this concealer for forever. I finally decided to just splurge and buy it, and this concealer is thick, thick, okay? Complete full coverage. It's gorgeous. I really love it. So this was my first time like really wearing and using this concealer, and I used a beauty sponge to blend it out. And next time I use it, I'm gonna try and just like blend it out with like a dense under eye concealer brush that I have and just see how it goes blending it out that way. Cause I feel like it definitely took a little bit of work blending it out. Like it wasn't difficult really, but just because the concealer is kind of thick, it took some work blending it out. But I'm gonna try with a brush because I feel like I might get better results using a brush, but we shall see about that. So here I'm taking just a little bit of foundation and kind of putting it on top of the concealer to blend out the harshness of the edges. Like I don't want it to look completely um, blunt, I guess, at the edges and the sides of the concealer. So sometimes I'll just take the brush that I use for my foundation and a little bit of foundation and just go over the edges of the concealer. So we're up to contouring, and I'm going to contour using a darker shade concealer by Makeup Revolution. I've been using this for a while now, and I love this concealer and the way it blends out. So yes, this is what I'm using to contour, and I'm just going to use the same brush that I used for my foundation to blend out my contour shade. I'm taking some MAC pressed powder in the shade NW30, and I'm using that to pat under my eyes before using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I usually don't do this, but to be honest, I saw Makeup Shayla doing this and saying that it was a good step to do before baking under the eyes, so that's why I'm doing it. Um, I guess it helps to like kind of smooth out the under eye a bit further before baking with the translucent powder. I think that's like the reasoning for it. But yeah, it definitely made my under eye pretty smooth before using the powder. So I'll probably do this step more often. So now using the third and second shade in the Sassy Sienna's palette, I'm just going to add some eyeshadow to my lower lash line to give some dimension and put some color there to not make it look so dry and kind of blank in that area. And here I'm just using some bronzer by Anastasia to bring some color back into my face and further define my cheekbones. So I'm just adding some blush by MAC. This is MAC's Blush in Burnt Pepper. And I'm using some highlighter by Bobbi Brown. Just something slight because I didn't want to be super highlighted this night. So yeah, just added a little bit for a touch of shimmer to the face. For the lips, I'm using MAC's Lip Liner and Cork and MAC's Lipstick in Velvet Teddy, which I haven't used in forever, but I used it today. And this combo was like so pretty. I topped it off with some lip gloss by Kylie Cosmetics, which just made the lips like have like a really nice soft pinkish color, and I loved the color so much. So I just finished off the look with some mascara on the bottom lashes and some setting spray, of course, by Milani Cosmetics. And that completes the look for this Get Ready With Me. I hope you guys really liked the way this turned out. My makeup looked so good in pictures this night. But yeah, I really hope that you guys liked and enjoyed the video. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video, which hopefully will not be months from now. Thank you guys for watching.